guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another review video for you guys. And today we are going to review a phone case from Amazon. So guys, this is the product we are going to review. This is like a really amazing glittery phone case. So you guys, this is like a 3D phone case. There is like two 3D butterflies on this phone. So you guys, this product cost me like 500 rupees. So you guys, this parcel just came in today and I am really excited to unbox this parcel. So you guys, I hope it looks exactly like the image because it is so pretty. So you guys, my phone model is like oppo F19s. So you guys, I will leave the link in the description down below for you guys to check this product out. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Simply cut it like this. I hope it's like not too taped. Yeah, it is. Just gonna cut it like twice. It's raining right here. I hope the noise is like not too much. Was really hard packaging, so it was like a little hard to unbox. So see you guys, this is our cover. See, it came in like a plastic. So you guys, there is a ziplock right here. You just have to open like this, and this is like a transparent cover. See, this is how it looks. The chain is also like transparent, and the butterfly made out of like plastic. These two butterflies are made out of plastic. So you guys, there is like a lot of sequins on this case. There is like stars and little round sequins. So you guys, the chain is like super shiny chain. It's really classy phone case. Guys, I am a little worried about this thing right here, rather it comes out from this phone case or not. If this comes out from here or here, the entire phone case will get ruined. So you guys, I can't show you guys how it looks on my phone because I am recording on my phone right now, but it is super like good. I will just remove the sponge and just show you guys and see how pretty this is. It's so pretty. You guys can hold your phone like this and it won't fall from your hands. So you guys, I am really clumsy, so I kind of needed this chain. So you guys, there is like two screws attaching this chain. See, this lock right here is like actually golden color. I think it will eventually fade to some other kind of color. See, but this is like a temporary use, so it's actually pretty good. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, see ya.